So very good evening, all of you. So now time is 9:45. So we will start quickly about the market. So right now the first index I am going to analyze Nifty FMCG. So when you see the chart, here is a trend line resistance. Here is a trend line resistance. If suppose in coming days, if suppose candle is closed above it and market sustained, we can expect good rally in the FMCG sector. So what are the FMCG sector good company stocks? ITC, Hindustan Unilever, like that. So whatever FMCG related stocks are there, you can expect a good bullish movement and you can focus on the FMCG related stocks because the market is at the trend line resistance area. So if it is gave breakout, if it is given breakout, then you can expect a retracement, then you can buy it. So it's a very good opportunity for the FMCG stocks. So like this, we can expect a good movement towards like this. So retracement is optional. It may happen or not. It may not happen. So what you can do, whenever the breakout is happened and candle is closed above it, then you can start analyzing the good fundamental sound stocks in FMCG sector. So my preference from the FMCG sector, Hindustan Unilever and ITC. So try to watch these stocks. So this is the Nifty FMCG. So now Nifty. Today Nifty is closed above the supply zone. This is what we already discussed in yesterday daily analysis. Today candle is closed above the supply zone. That means this supply zone is violated. So what we can expect from now onwards, buy on dip market. From now onwards, buy on dip market. Don't try to go for the shorts or don't try for the put options. Try to focus on the buy on dip. Okay, but one condition is, see here Nifty is broken breakout and it is closed above the supply zone. But if we observe the SGX Nifty, it is still in the supply zone. So if tomorrow morning, whenever you are seeing market, if candle is closed above it, then we can also expect a good movement in our markets also, because it SGX Nifty and Nifty both are friends each other. So whatever the trading will happen, same will happen in Singapore also. So exchange common values will be there. So if candle is closed above this, then we can expect good rally in our Nifty also. This is only giving little means we need to wait some time for closing candle above this one, for getting the more confirmation in our Indian markets also. So be focused on this stock also, SGS Nifty and Nifty. Indian market candle is closed, but in SGS XGX market right now candle is trading in the supply zone. So we don't know which direction it will take. If it is reacted from the supply zone, then market will go downside. If it is closed above the supply zone, then we can expect a good rally in our Indian market. Similarly, SGX Nifty also. So try to focus on the both markets. Tomorrow, whenever you open market, check the global cues. How many global indices are positive and how many global indices are negative, and what is the ratio, and SGX Nifty is trading above the supply zone or inside the supply zone. Be careful, then do the analysis, but be on the buyer side only. Be on the buyer side only. So this is what about Nifty daily analysis. Next, Bank Nifty. So bank Nifty, we already in last 3 days we are already discussing about this. Bank Nifty is closed above the resistance, closed above the resistance also. So we can expect a good rally in banking sector stocks. And you know, today ICICI Bank and HDFC banks are announced very good results. So we can expect a very good rally in coming days in the bank Nifty. So who are holding banking stocks, try to do more analysis. Either you can add more banking related stocks, or as per your risk management, take your decisions. So if you are already holding the stocks, then confidently you can hold the stocks. This is my personal observation. Banking stocks will going may go superb rally, not a simple rally, superb rally. Because see, here you can clearly see this is a left shoulder, downside head, and this is a right shoulder. And the candle is closed above this kind of pattern. Candle is closed above this kind of pattern. And if you see clearly, this is one kind of foreign institutional technique. So I will explain the technique here. See, what my observation, it may helpful to you also in future. Just understand, this is a trend line. Here what happened? Some kind of a breakout is happened. Then what? So in market, most of the retailers are came. So why? Because from the falling kind of wedge pattern, it given the breakout and candle is sustained above it. So many retailers are came to buy the stock to their expectation is it will go upside. But what happened? So if you buy the stock, where you will keep the stop loss? Where you will keep the stop loss? If you buy the stock, you will keep the stop loss here, right? If you buy the stock, you may keep the stop loss here. So what happened? You buy here and again it fallen. So this side you entered and stop loss hit. And then what happened? The support is broken. You entered on the short side. The support is broken. So you entered on the short side. What happened? Then again market taken upside. Okay, so market shorted. Many people. This is a retailer's mindset. I'm saying just here when the candle is closed below. So many people expected Bank Nifty will fall, or they taken the short positions. Then again, what foreign institutional investors or what big players taken, they moved price towards the upside. So when you buy, this is your stop loss. When you sell, where you will keep the stop loss? You will keep the stop loss here or here somewhere else. So here they taken your. So both sides, both sides, whenever you entered, your stop loss hit. Whenever you bought, your stop loss hit. So now what happened? This side and this side. So weak hands are eliminated from the market. Weak hands are eliminated from the market. Now again market went upside. Many people bought this stock. Their expectation. So they kept maybe stop loss here, this zone. So again market came down and they taken the stop losses. Now market went upside. So many stop losses is taken here. So all the weak hands are removed. That is the reason we can expect market will go upside with very good momentum. So in Bank Nifty, we can expect very good momentum. Keep this in mind and try to be as a buyer in the Bank Nifty. HDFC, ICICI banks are announced very good results and try to capture those stocks. And Kotak Bank also. So this is my Bank Nifty analysis. So actually on Sunday session, we discussed about the Lux Industries. Sunday session and Monday session also, Lux Industries. I discussed, see, Lux Industries at the demand zone. See the demand zone, and this is the stop loss area. We can keep market exactly turned from the support. So now what is our target? You can expect target till 3,700 level. Why? Because it is a small supply zone is there. It's not a very good supply zone. It's just a supply zone. Okay, we can expect a rally towards this direction. So if anybody wants to buy this Lux Industry stock, try to add into your portfolio by keeping risk management in your mind. So you know what is your risk management, you know what is your money, you know what is your mindset, how much you can able to take, how much you want to see the profits. If suppose I'm okay with 5% profit, exit because you are satisfied already, your target is reached. So it's very people to people. So I just suggesting my ideas. Risk management is yours. Ultimately, you are going to participate in the market race. So try to be risk managed person. So Lux Industries. Next, L&T Finance. I'm not having. I'm not suggesting this stock right now because we are this stock presently in the watch list. The stock presently in the watch list. Why? Because here is a formation is preparing. Here is a descending triangle formation is preparing. So whenever it is broken, broken about this trend line, then you can buy, and it is a very good company. So results are also results are already announced, and the results are bad, but try to focus on this chart. Once we get the resistance breakout, then we can expect a good rally in L&T Finance. So next, yesterday I forget to discuss about the Reliance. Reliance announced very good results, very good results. So right now market is at the demand zone. So right now at the demand zone, try to enter into this stock. So okay, nice. See here, this is one support. This is one support. Okay, connect that and double click on that. Extend the right line. So exactly, it is taken the support and it is moving towards the upside. This is the downside support line, and if you observe upside also support line resistance is there. So try to focus or try to add Reliance in your portfolio. Okay, so this is my observation in Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries actually announced very good results. See the green color. Okay, if the green color, if the E symbol is in green color, that means results are good. If E color in red color, that means results are bad. If suppose some kind of gray color, here we don't have any kind of gray colors. If suppose gray color is there, that means not very good, not very bad. It's a normal results. So
Manish, one question.
yes, please.
Sorry to break you. You know, I think this D here is it dividend or something else
D means
on the
dividend.
results line?
Yeah,
No?
yeah, yeah. D means
Dividend. And
dividend.
there was one more dividend, right? There's one more something as said as S something
Yes means a split.
on your here.
Yes means a
Split.
split.
But
Split.
Did Reliance have a split sometime? Did
Yes,
Reliance?
yes,
Yeah, this
yes.
one.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
They mentioned
They had a split.
split
Oh.
on that. Okay, so Reliance has a split, Wipro has a
Okay,
split.
okay.
That's the reason they are still trading at 200 rupees only. Splits, dividends. When dividend is happened, then your stock price will be adjusted. Okay, so if split is also happened, then your stock price will be adjusted, and after some week, after 1 week or some days, your chart also will be automatically converted into that stock, converted into that. Suppose IRCTC, if you observe IRCTC, we saw IRCTC at 6,000 rupees level, right? Am I correct or wrong? At 6,000 rupees levels we observed, but when you see all the chart, there is no 6,000 level. Why? Whenever split is happened, see, this is the split. S means split. 5:1. Split is happened 5:1. Then what will happen? Price will be adjusted according to the splitted also. Okay. So SSWL, similar way. This is also traded at 1800 level. Now it is trading at 805 level. See, yellow color is in green. That means okay. Results are okay. Not very good, not bad. Just okay results. Like we always say consolidated market or sideways market now, so no clear direction, that is no clear point we can say it is positive or negative, like that. And if anybody interested to read the fundamental analysis, this is your choice. So read the fundamentals about the SSW, Steel Swipes Wheel Limited. This is a very good stock. I am expecting price will do double, and PE ratio is very less, and everything is good. The company has very good order book, and it is right now trading in the consolidation zone. We can expect very good move in this stock. So when stock is in consolidation, try to invest. So it is a fundamental related stock though, so I don't want to keep any SL. It's your choice. When you want to exit, you can exit. It's right now it is trading at the consolidation zone, and if you observe, this is one kind of a flag pole. This is a long rally. After that, pole is happening. So how much rally is happened in the past? Same, it may happen in the future also. This is a flag and pole formation. It is in downtrend, no problem. It is in downtrend, but company is very good. I'm reading this stock fundamentals, and I'm happy with these fundamentals. Already started accumulating like 5 quantity, 10 quantity, 3 quantity, like that. As per my risk capability, whenever I am getting profits in other shares, I am adding into this stock. So next stock, Engineers India. Come on. Engineers India. Anybody having positions on this stock? Right now, stock is at the discounted price. So it is at the support zone. It is at the support zone. See, this is the support area. This is the support area. Fake out is happened. Here also one fake out is happened. Here fake out is happened. Here fake out is happened. Now price may go upside. So try to focus on the Engineers India stock. And there are lots of reasons to buy this stock. So try to buy or watch this stock. And here is a one kind of trend line also. So you confidently take this stock, but it will go like a slow run. Slowly it will go. Are you ready to hear about the multi-bagger stock now? Say yes. Yes or no? Multi-bagger stock. Now I am going to present the multi-bagger stock. So
I believe it's going to be yes from everyone.
everybody know about this stock. That is Idea. Vodafone Idea.
Is it? Are you serious? Idea.
Yes, Idea. Why? Because right now stock is at the demand zone. Right now stock is at the demand zone. You can keep your stop loss near to 9 rupees, 9 rupees 30 paisa in that zone. Or you can, if you want to keep your stop loss safe stop loss, then you can keep 8 rupees 50 paisa. Okay.
Money, but the funda is weak, no?
No problem.
Fundamental.
See, if you read today's news about the Idea, Idea having good potentiality and some kind of government is also supporting for the Idea company, and they cleared
Okay.
the loans recently. And see, remember the date. The date is February 2, 2022. On this date, Idea price is at 11 rupees. If it is false, it may fall till 8 rupees 50 paisa. Only that level I am expecting. This is my personal observation only. But my target is near to 40 rupees. Okay, this is the final target, 40 rupees. But the first target is like this one, 15 rupees, 25 rupees, like that. First target is 15 rupees. Second target is 25 rupees. The final target is 40 rupees. So don't deploy whole capital into the stock. Whatever the capital you have, suppose you have let's say 1 lakh rupees, just deploy 5% of the capital into the stock and wait for the price to move. Give some time, price will move, because there is some kind of possibility Idea can go upside. So we can look into the stock in positive way. Hope it will be a multi-bagger. And from the
Money.
banking, yes, sir.
I just want to share my experience.
Yes,
You know,
please.
I was tracking this Urja Global for past I don't know how many months. That time it was like 3 rupees and 4 rupees, and it went to 6, and again it came down to 2.5 something. Now the same stock, I think it touched about 33 or something.
Yes, like that it will happen, sir.
Exactly. Even Suzlon, I'm into Suzlon.
Suzlon, yeah.
Suzlon is the retailer's favorite, by the way.
Yeah.
So everyone has a stock. So
Yes,
so
definitely.
now
I
it's on
also,
the 11 or something. But
mm,
again, that stock I had it at 3, but I sold it. But now again I entered into 6. Now it's at 11 or something. So I don't know, maybe it's just a luck or something. But again, watch list is very important.
see, this is the demand zone for the Idea. Okay, this is the demand zone for Idea. So Idea is at the demand zone in weekly time frame. Try to add this stock into your portfolio. This one. Okay, right. One resistance, and here is a accumulation happened. Then price moved upside, and again price came to that demand zone. Start accumulating, not means just invest 5%, not more than that. I'm expecting positive from this stock. So this is my experience, this is my personal observation, and this stock will be multi-bagger. Fundamentals are bad, okay, but now many people are not interested to buy this stock. But my chart is saying, my chart analysis is saying, right now stock is in the demand zone. You buy at low and sell at high. When I read above above chart, there is no supply zone is identified. Only demand means some zones are there, but stock is going up. When I observe, stock is looking for the positive only. Here, double top is formed. See here, double top is formed, and candle this candle is closed here. As per the double top, target is already reached. Now it's going towards the upside. Here all the sellers are means there is not much good resistance for I found. Mr. HCL Technologies. So how many members remembered about this stock HCL Tech? I said now confidently. So now this is your time to buy this stock. Why? Because it's already taken out this supply zone. So a candle is closed above this. Yesterday I said I'm in 5.x percentage profit. Now you know how much profit, how much percentage I have. So it just nearly 30 points, 32, 33 points away for my target percentage. So this all comes with sleepless nights and practices, sir. Chart reading. Next, ITC. See, ITC also I told na. So trend line is very good trend line breakout. Stock is towards the target. Here supply zone is there, but it's a normal supply zone. No problem. It will taken out this stock. Here also supply zone is there. Here also supply zone is there. These two supply zones will be taken out. And next stopping point for the ITC is 263 rupees. So who are holding this stock? They are seeing good days in future, in next coming days. So meeting going to end in next 10 minutes. So now your time. You can ask any kind of stocks. I can say my chart observations.
Can you say US 100?
Yes, definitely I will say 100 US 100 S&P 500 US 100 I am observing. So see here SGX Nifty you observe now. Similarly, here stock is at the supply zone. So it's reacting, but we have to wait. We have to wait. It is reacting from this resistance zone. See here. Here also very good demand zone is there. So in US 100, small resistance. This is a small supply zone, and higher time frame there is a demand zone. Weekly time frame having the demand zone, daily time frame having the supply zone. It make some kind of consolidation. Then it will continue the rally towards the upside. That's my observation. Just okay. No worries, sir. I'm expecting on this. I'm expecting bullish on this. S&P 500. Oh. As of now, there is a small resistances. This is a previous support, na? This is a previous support, right? Support, support, support. Here market taken support, market taken support, market taken support. It is closed below this. This candle closed below the support line, and now what is happening? This support became resistance for this area. Okay, if candle is closed above this, and it should sustain, actually it should sustain about this, because this is a 3 time now. So VIX are saying here is also a small supply zone is there. It is a not very good supply zone, it's a supply zone is there, so it may do some kind of consolidation. We need to wait, there is no clear direction, it may come inside again, otherwise it will go upside. So we have to wait for the clear direction, sir. On this stock, I am clearly saying we have to wait for the clear direction. Right now it is in the consolidation kind of phase. So Bank of Baroda and PNB is asking by someone. So for them, I am giving you Indian Bank. So in banking sector, see Indian Bank. Actually, it is moved from the demand zone, and again a demand zone is created. Who are interested to buy this stock? Buy it. See here, resistance means it tried to go upside and it given the false breakout, again it came to the downside, support, support. Okay, so now this resistance is here also, this resistance is taken out, and today it is closed above it. Today it is closed above it. So what I can say clearly on this stock, by entry is 169.50, your stop loss is 146. Indian Bank. So target, if you ask me target, then we can expect a very good target, sir. 200 rupees above we can expect. If candle is closed, first swing is there, na? This is the first swing. So this is your first target. Then this is a small resistance, no problem. If candle is closed above this resistance line, then you can expect a very good, because this is doing more consolidation in this zone. So it's called it's kind of bamboo investing. If stock is consolidated more within the tight range, then what happened? I will show. Okay, if stock is consolidated more within the zone, then it will happen like this. Bamboo investing. Too much consolidation, then it is going upside. You know about bamboo trees? In China, bamboo trees 4 years. The seed will be inside the earth for 4 years. Then within 2 to 4 weeks, or I didn't exactly remember. Within 2 months or 4 weeks, it can shoot up 50 meters. It can grow till 50 meters, 60 meters, like that. So that kind of consolidation is happened. This is the best example for the bamboo investing. So in Indian Bank also we can expect like that. BPCL. BPCL is a good dividend giving company. So again there is a dividend announcement. Wow, they are announced dividend. Okay, that payment date is March 2022 first date, and announcing on the 10th February. How about Thyrocare? Thyrocare Technologies. I'm not having clear information on this stock. So I will observe and I will explain tomorrow daily session. So try to join everyday sessions. I'm happy to teach you. And what is my motive is I want to improve my English skill and I want to share my charting skill with you. That's it. Kotak Bank. Sir, Kotak Bank, I found a very good demand zone. This is the demand zone. Very good demand zone. So add into your watch list. After price reach to this demand zone, then we can expect towards bullish moment. It's a very good demand zone and it is not yet tested also. Once it is came to first time test, then you can buy it. This is your stop loss. 1782. Sorry. This is your stop loss. Okay. Okay. Anybody having questions? Just 1 minute left. I suggested many stocks. Bonds, I don't know. I don't have much knowledge on the bonds, sir. Sorry. ONGC also, I think we discussed on the Sunday session. So ONGC right now it came for the retracement. See, we can say this is a resistance. The resistance now price is trading near the resistance. So anybody interested? By keeping your stop loss, here 10 points stop loss, you can expect good movement in the ONGC stock. Tata Power. If you joining everyday daily analysis, I definitely share the multi-bagger kind of stocks also.